Lighting is essential for creating realistic and visually appealing scenes. There are 4 types of lights available. First, we have the point light. This is like a small light bulb that emits light in all directions. It's great for illuminating small areas or simulating lamps in a scene. You can move it around to see how it affects objects nearby. Next, we have the sunlight. This mimics natural sunlight and provides strong directional lighting. It's perfect for outdoor scenes and creates realistic shadows. You can rotate the sun to change the direction of the light. Then, there's the spotlight. This one acts like a stage spotlight, emitting light in a focused beam. You can adjust its intensity, angle, and position to highlight specific areas of your model. Lastly, we have the skylight, which is a pro feature. It simulates an ambient environment light, giving a more natural feel to the entire scene. This is great for achieving soft and evenly distributed lighting. Once you've added a light, you can tweak its settings for the best effect. You can adjust the intensity, change the color, and even modify the shadows to make your scene look more dynamic. Experiment with different light types to bring your models to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Prisma 3D tutorials. See you in the next video.